I love working with my hands. If you can build it in your mind, you can put your hands to it and you can put it together. Agape is a Greek word. It means God's unconditional love. I guess the reason why I can create and do the things that we do is His love for us and me loving exactly what I do. I always had an idea in my mind to take the ordinary and make it extraordinary. This one, this side, and this side, you think we want to do these two and then drop down and do maybe these two the same.
Okay, the bodice I know is tundra.
It's back in the middle 60s I started installing carpet. I started in custom draperies, found a job at a furniture store. That was my first love. And then they needed help in carpet installation. So I fell in love with carpet.
I'm Linda Machen, married to Jerry, and we've owned Agape rugs for the last 50 years, working on 51 now.
I kept gathering scrap carpets, label them with customers' name on them. I rented not a storage building, but a house, and it was full of scrap carpets.
See, I didn't know about the house for a little while. That was interesting. It caused a little stir at the house.
My wife came in one day and said, "Get rid of it all. You got to get this place cleaned out." So I was working at one firm here in Kingsport, and he showed me a picture. I saw the picture, and it was a mountain scene. I said, "I can do that in carpet." I'd never built one before in my life, but in my mind, I've thought of it over and over again that I could build that.
I walk in from work, and my whole kitchen floor is covered with pieces, and he's going to put a picture together. And I'm like, is it going to be done before I have to start supper?
I brought scraps home, had a mess all over the kitchen, but I hand sewed it together. When I turned it over, I was amazed at how it looked. It was actually beautiful.
There it is.
Yeah, it was picked out. Oh, over the years, there's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of different designs. That grand staircase that wrapped around, came up down the hall. After that, we started building custom pieces. We would make everything from horoscope signs to sunsets. We found a niche for it. It's very exciting to take an idea and make something out of it. Yep. So it's just my family and my wife and my oldest son and his son, my grandson.
The restoration is a big part of the business. A lot of people have rugs at homes that's been handed down from generation to generation, and bringing those back to life is pretty amazing. Yeah.
We've picked rugs up. I would ride down the road. I can tell a real good rug, so when I find a good one, then of course I'll stop and pick it up. I like to solve it. I like to go and make it whole again. Instead of trashing it and throwing it away, then I like to repair it or build it back. Every one of them tells a story. It's not one rug that is especially hand knotted and tufted that is the same. Every one is different. So even if we repair some, you have to find the method that they use, the knot that they use to even repair it. If not, it's going to show up. So it's a learning process every day.
It's more artwork than it is work. It's more creative. You know, you have a chance to expand your imagination on doing different things, you know. And it's a lot of fun.
I didn't even know I had any creative abilities, but I was good with colors and with shapes.
You get to know a person by what they like, the colors they like. You get to know their personality, talking back and forth. It's like a friendship. If you have a gift, then the gift should keep on giving. The best business to me in the world is service. So I think it's very important to just keep what we have and learn from it. I don't know everything, and I'll never know everything, but I'm willing to learn each and every day.